Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable biometric authentication on the Liquidus Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Liquidus Wallet application on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the wallet page. Now from here, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, which will open up the menu page. Now if you scroll down, underneath security, you will see the enable biometrics option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will first be asked to enter the PIN code that you are using to access your account. Just type in your 6-digit PIN code, and now you will be prompted to provide your fingerprint or your facial scan to set up your biometric authentication. As soon as you provide either one of these, your biometric authentication will be enabled within your account. After this, every time you open up your app, instead of your PIN code, you can use your biometrics directly. In order to turn this off, you can go back to the menu page and then tap on Disable Biometrics in order to do so. When you tap on this, you will be asked to provide your fingerprint as well as your PIN code. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable biometric authentication on the Liquidus Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.